Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply hide Instagram following or followers list. So for that, what you need to do is basically get into your Instagram, and before that, make sure you go into App Store or Play Store and your Instagram application is updated from there. If it's not, just do it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the Instagram application. Now, when you open up the Instagram application, all you need to do is get into your profile by tapping at the profile in the right bottom corner. Once you do so, this kind of appears up. Now you're going to go into the freelance icon that is at the top right corner. This dialog box appears up in which you're going to go into the settings. And once you get to settings, all you need to do is get into your privacy, and you see here in the privacy, account privacy is turned on. That means no person would be able to see your followers or followings unless or until that person has been added into your Instagram. So for example, this is a page that is public, and I want to go and check on my another page and make sure that it is not like that. So once I go over it and I see I want to check on the followers and the followings, but I just can't because they are hidden, because the account privacy is turned on. So this is how you hide Instagram following list or followers list. And if you guys have seriously any questions, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. So till next time, peace, take care everyone, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. See you.